Hello everyone, welcome to HBN Infotech Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create chess promotion ads design in Microsoft Word. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, I would like you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest tutorial notifications. Also, go and check out my other tutorial videos if you are really a Microsoft Word design geek. Now let us check the preview of the chess promotion ads design. Before we begin this tutorial, there are two things that you will need to check if you are using Word 2010 or later versions. First, you will need to enable compatibility mode. Second thing is that you will need to add classic word art style to the quick access toolbar. You can check out my previous video for instructions. Now let us begin the design process. First, open a new file, then save the file. For the save as type, select Word 97 2003 document format. This will enable the compatibility mode. You can notice that on your title bar. It says compatibility mode. So this helps you to use the old classic word art style. Now next, let's move on to the second step. Now you need to change the paper size. So we'll go to the layout. Select the size as A4, then orientation to landscape. Now go to the insert tab, draw a line. You can hold the shift key to draw straight lines. Now I'll enter a height of 4.37. Now create duplicates of this line. So you can either make a copy and paste, or you can press the Ctrl D key to duplicate. Now rotate this by 30 degrees. Create duplicate lines and keep it rotating it in 30-degree increments. Now I'll duplicate this and then flip this horizontally. Again I'll duplicate this, Ctrl D, and flip this horizontally. Now select everything, go to format, and then align center, then align middle. And now you can just group this together. Now next is you need to create circles. So I'll just remove the fill. For the first circle I'll enter 4.37 for the height as well as the width, and I'll need 2 more circles, 2.55 for the height and width as well, and same for this. You need to remove the fill color, create one more, 1.14 and 1.14, and now go to the home tab, select objects, select all shapes, then align this center and middle. So now again you can group this together. Now rotate the shape group by 15 degree. Then go to insert, shapes, and use the block arc. Create block arc. I'll enter a measurement of 2.55. Then I'll just try to align this here. I'll just remove the fill, then just use this handle to adjust to this grid. So I think this will do. Now I'll do one thing, I'll fill this with the black color, and then I'll start duplicating the shape. I'll press the Ctrl D key to duplicate this. So I'll just rotate this. So again Ctrl D one more time, rotate this. Okay, see, you'll need to rotate this by 60 degree. This one see. Oh, sorry. $120. Okay, and then I'll just duplicate the first one and then mirror this vertically, drag this here, and then duplicate the other two and mirror them as well. This time I'll just mirror this horizontally. Ctrl D again and mirror this horizontally. Okay, now again I'll go to the shapes and use the block arc, and this time I'll make the larger one, make this 4.37 by 4.37, remove the fill, say no fill for this. Okay, now I'll need to adjust it. Just like that. A little bit of adjustment is required. Okay, let us zoom this and check. Okay, now little bit. Yes, now. Okay, I think this should do. Yes, this is perfect. So now what you need to do is you need to rotate this by 30 degrees. Then fill this with the black color. Okay, now we'll just duplicate the shape, Control D, and just mirror this horizontally. Keep this here. Again, Control D, and then mirror this vertically and keep it here. And mirror this one. Vertically and then horizontally again. Okay. And now duplicate this one. Rotate this by, I think 90 should be fine. Yes, 90 is perfect. Then duplicate this and then flip this horizontal. Keep this here. Okay, now so far we are done with the grid. So now let us group all the shapes together. Okay, now the shapes are grouped together. Now the next thing is you will need to go to the insert and then symbol, more symbol, and choose the Arial Unicode MS font from here, and then just scroll a bit. And you could find the chess symbols here. You can insert them all. and close. Now convert these symbols into word art. So to do that, I'll just cut this or copy this and then go to insert and then word art. Select the first word art style. Select the same unique Arial Unicode MS font, then paste it here. Click on the OK button, and now you need to bring it in front of text. So then you can just do it for all the other symbols too. Just cut this, insert, and then word art, first one, and then Arial Unicode MS, paste, and OK. And then again in front of text. See, there is a shortcut way of doing this. You can just copy this or cut this and then duplicate the existing word art. So you can press the Ctrl D keys and then replace this with you need to go to the format tab and click on the edit text button and then replace this with the other symbol. So this is a shortcut method. So you can just convert all of them to the word art. Okay, so I'll do it quickly now. Now select all of them, go to the format, fill it with a color, remove the outline, then set the height as desired. I'll set it for 0.8 and width for 0.53. So this is the height and width. So we need two sets of them. So first set will fill the outer portion, this portion, and the second set you will need to reduce the size and arrange them in the inner portion. So let me start with this one. Just before that I will need to rotate this grid by 90 degree. So you can do it as per your requirement. Now I'll just drag this here. I'll just go to the fill, make it white, and then rotate this by 60 degree. Yes, and then arrange it this. And this one by 30 degree and arrange it by like this. So you can arrange them all as required. Now select all the chess symbols and group them together. This could be a challenging task. So what you can do is you can just move this grid away from the symbols like this. We can arrange them later. And now you can carefully select them using the select objects, just like this. And then you can just group them. Now we can just pull this back. Select all objects. And align them center and middle. So now what you can do is you can just duplicate the chess symbols, Control D, and then you can just rotate them. So I'll just rotate this, and let me rotate this for 90 degree, and then I'll just reduce the size as well. I'll reduce the size for some let me say 2.55. Now we'll just move this here and see whether that's okay. I'll just reduce the size a little bit. I'll make this 2.2. Now see how this looks. Let me increase a little bit. 2.3 should do. Yes, I think this is enough. Now again you can select all objects. And align them center and middle. Yes. Now I just forgot to just color this black, the middle portion of the circle. I'll just color this to the black. Okay. Now let me place the king here. I'll just go to format and ungroup. I'll just ungroup this symbol. Say Control D. Then drag it here. Change the color to white. And then rotate this to 0 degrees. And then now I'll go to the format, regroup the shapes, because now again I'm going to do the alignment. So I'll just select objects, and then format, align center and align middle. So this has aligned the objects together. Aligned it horizontally and vertically to center. Now I'll group everything, select everything, format and group. Okay, now the next step is that I'm going to create some decorative borders. To do that I need few more symbols. So let us go to the insert and symbols, more symbols, and I think you'll get the symbols here. So I need this and this. Let us scroll a little bit more. Yes, now I need this symbol, these arrows, all. I'm selecting the 5 arrows. Okay, so now first I'll just copy these 2 symbols. Now they just look like some brick, I mean a kind of brick. I'll just copy them. So I'll just go to the insert and then word art, set this to Arial Unicode MS font, then paste them here. And now I'll just make multiple copies of this. So I'll just copy this, paste it, and keep pasting. See, I need 32 copies of them, so totally 4, 8, 10, okay, 20, 30 and 32 copies. I'll just click OK. So now I'll just go to the text wrap, in front of text, then shape fill, I'll make this black, and shape outline no line. So now the next step is I'll just go to change shape and select this one, circle curve, hollow path, and then now you need to arrange this a little. So let me set this for 4.37 for the height as well as the width, 4.37. Let us see what happens. Let us move this closer to the design made earlier. So let us reduce the size a little bit. So let me make this 4.35. Let me check this a little more. 4.2 or 4.1. Let us try 4.1. Okay, now move this and check. Okay, this, okay, I need a little bit bigger. 4.2. I think 4.3. Okay, let us check this. I want this to exactly sit on the border, just like that. Yeah, now I think it's good, looks good. Now we'll just copy the arrows, go to the insert and then the word art, Arial Unicode MS font, paste them here, and this time I need 11 sets of these arrows. So there are 5 arrows here, so I need 11 sets. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 11 sets. So I think let us count this, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, same for this as well. You can just bring it in front of text. Shape fill, you can just select the color, then no outline, then same thing, go to change shape, choose circle curve for the follow path, and then I'll just set some size here. Let me make this 5 and 5. Let us check how this looks. I just want to make this a little bit bigger, so let me make this 5.3 and 5.3. Yeah, I think this is okay. This looks good. Now let us align them. I'll just select all the objects and then format, align center, align middle. I have aligned the center and middle. So now we will just group this together, group everything together, format and group. So I have grouped this together. So now let us create a banner underneath. Let me just zoom it. I just move this here, remove this symbols. I'll go to the insert, shapes, and then use this shape. Okay, just fill this with a color, no outline. Duplicate this. So I'll just use a rectangle here for the same height, no outline. Now I'll just mirror this one horizontally, and then let me connect this. Just align this together, the same line. So let me move this a little bit this side. Okay, now before I place this here, I would like to write some text on this. So what I could do is I'll just go to the insert, take the word out again, and I'll choose the impact font here. Impact. I'll write a text. I'll write something here. Let us say okay, now we'll say COMPION. Okay, now let me bring this in front of text, and then I'll just place this on this. Let me place this here and check. Okay, this looks okay to me. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just drag this back. I'll group this banner shapes together. Before that, I'll just align top and group this. Now I'll just bring this over this, and then I'll just remove the outline. No, I'll just fill the outline with black. Okay, now I'll select them both, and then align center, align middle. So I'll just drag them here somewhere. Okay, this looks cool. We'll arrange them later. Okay, So I'll add some more text here. I'll just use a text box. I'll just drag this here. I'll add some dummy content. I think I'll just leave one paragraph and remove all the others. I'll increase the size of this. Okay, and now I'll just remove the outline for this. Say no outline. And I'll just align this to the center like that. Let me increase the size a bit more. Okay. Now let me move this a little bit this side. Okay. And now I'll just insert another word art and select the impact font again. I'll write 2021, but this time you need to press the enter key because I'm going to create a vertical text like this. And now in front of text, I think I should align this to the center. Yes, it's aligned. And then yeah, just increase the size of this and place it here. And now I'll just use this braces like this. I'll just add some decoration for this. I'll just rotate this by 90-degree left. I'll place this here, drag it like this, and then change the arrow style. Line weight, let me make this much. Outline color, yeah, this much thickness is sufficient. Now I'll change the arrow style. I'll just choose more arrows, or let me try this. Yeah, that's okay, that's fine. But now again I'll make this as dashed and check how this looks. This looks good. Okay, I'll just reduce the weight of this to this much or this much. Yeah, this is fine. Now I'll just duplicate this, Control D, move this down and flip this like this, flip it like that. Okay, I'll have to just increase the size here a little more. And now align these three things together. So I'll just use select objects again and align them to center. So this is done. Now you can just play around the things and see different permutations and combinations and see how the design looks. So this is one style. In this way you can try out different permutations and combinations. So just like this one, you can just play around things, place it wherever you want and see how it looks, and try different design styles. I hope that you like this tutorial. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. See you with another interesting design topic in my next tutorial video. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching.